One of a kind.
Is there anything else about this ride you haven't told me yet?
It's on full display. I wonder if the launch goes off now, we can hit a splash.
You ready?
It's heavy now.
We'll try one more. Good.
I wanted to do the one at Energylandia just to be, you know, like, oh, well, that's the worst it could ever get.
The drop in that one's really lean. Geyser. Geyser. I like how it's new that there's this thing you can get a lawn chair store.
I hope they're nailed down.
Here we go.
Oh dear. Oh, this is gonna be a thing. Okay, spit on me.
That was more than a spit. Not so bad. Alright. Hello.
I bet we're about to Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, it's going all the way up there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh, how convenient. Oh god. As it turned out, it was not safer in the back. I'm pretty sure we did not get it. We were not spared for riding in the back row. Whoever told you that story about the person in the front's a freaking liar.
Remember how we thought the second drop was going to be the bad one?
Yeah.
It looks delicious.
Looks can be deceiving sometimes.
You going again?
I mean, it'd be hard to be. It's hard to get it worse.
Do that one again? Yeah.
My shoes are dry. Can't complain about that.
Do it again. Well, there's nobody in line. Let's see if it works.
It'd be hard to be any more wet than I currently am.
Try Rio Grande with the rapid waterfall.
Impacts are permitted and must be worn as intended. Must not
At least it's not terribly humid. Like I have a chance to